This is BioMaxx Ball. BioMaxx is a world unique mineral composition with many incomparable characteristics. Far infrared radiation rate 97%, and abundant anion emit rate and the bacterial reduction rate over 98%, and the permanent effectiveness of the photocatalyst. Compared with the general single minerals and the many ceramic balls like quartz, cobalt, yellow clay, germanium, and sericite, tourmalines. These minerals already used in the market, and due to the very lower level of the far infrared and the anions, reasonable and proper effectiveness cannot be expected. Our key composition of the BioMaxx Ball is scoria and water-soluble sodium silicate. The scoria is volcanic ash collected from the Korean Jeju volcanic island. Scoria chemical composition is like this, SiO2 and TiO2 like this, and also including the titanium oxide. This mineral naturally emit with a lot of the advantages, like 97% high emit of the far infrared, abundant anion emit, and affect the photocatalyst on the receipt of the light. Another key mineral is water-soluble silicate. We, Nanotech, collect 98% pure grade sodium, the silica gemstone, after treatment of the 2200 degrees for 15 hours in our own electric furnace. We produce the world unique sodium silicate by our own facilities. In sodium ball structure, in the ball structure inside, limited amount far infrared and anion will be soluble into water continuously. The sodium silicate also emit a lot of the far infrared and anions. These two key minerals mixed sodium silicate and the scoria is manufacturing the power stage first, and then mixing with the ball types. This BioMaxx Ball has a lot of advantages by far infrared radiation rate 97% and abundant anion emit rate and bacterial reduction 98%, permanent effective of the photocatalyst, air purification, water purification, prevent the disease and the virus, the odorizer, and the sterilization. Okay, now we explain the detailed advantage of the far infrared and anion and the photocatalyst. See here. Okay, now we explain the advantage of the far infrared. The far infrared radiation effectiveness will be already scientifically well proven. Air purification, deodorization, the neutralization of the odor and pain relief, activation of the water molecules, and also sterilization and the promotion of the growth, promote of the metabolism. A lot of the advantages like this. And so see here, right? BioMaxx Ball with the far infrared function, the purification of the pollution, orderly mover, and the life extension, water purification, increase the immunity, harmless to the human body, reduce the chemical and heavy metal damages, insect repellent effect, saving the energy, likely a lot of the advantages like this. This is the advantage of the anions. The negative anion also scientifically effectiveness is well proven. Purification, fine dust removal, and the sterilization, and then likely the strengthen the immunity, neutralization of the free radicals, remove the contaminant. See here, improvement of the allergy, likely a lot of the advantages here. Also, scoria contain around 7% of the TiO2, titanium dioxide. So when this material is received light, has a photocatalytic reaction. The advantage is antibacterial, antifungus, deodorization, self-cleaning, purification, and sterilization. A lot of the advantages like this. Also, let me explain the usage of the BioMaxx in the different business field. See here, BioMaxx Ball could be applied in the many different business fields, different categories like home care and health care, agriculture farm, the horticulture, and the livestock fishery, and the pet application, and water treatment, environmental application. Likely this can be used for the agriculture and the crop growth, like the soil improvement effect, maintain the crop's freshness, increase the crop productivity, and around the 60% the crop harvest increased. And also this one can be used for the rice and the wheat. A lot of the advantages like this, as crop productivity is increased more than 15%, and also the prevent the pest and disease and the mite. A lot of the advantages like this. Also, it could be used for the horticulture, prevent pest disease, and improve the soil improvement, maintain the freshness, promote the growth. It can be applied the greenhouse cultivation, hydroponic cultivation, the cultivation of the flowers, house greens like this. Also, it can be used for the vegetables. A lot of the advantages like this. So likely to put 3 kilo of the BioMaxx Ball in the 1-ton water tank and keep 12 hours. After 12 hours, the water become a far infrared anion content water. So spray it plant continuously and then achieve the great advantages like this. Also, it can be used for the fruit, likely the prevent the pest disease, increase the crop productivity, and then the sugar content is 2-3 bricks increased. This also can be used livestock, and it can be used lion hens, broiler, pig, sheep, cow, and cattle. Just 3 kilo of the BioMaxx Ball in the 1-ton water tank and keep 12 hours. After 12 hours, the water become a far infrared and anion content water. And by continuously feeding the animals with far infrared and anion content water, then you can receive a lot of the advantages like this. Also, it can be used to fish farm and aqua rooms. Like a lot of the advantages like this. This one also used for the pet care. Also, it can be used health care. You know, supply the hot water into the best tube and drop the BioMaxx Ball 2 kilograms. After water become a far infrared and anion content water within 10 minutes and take a bath and maximize a lot of the advantages like this, relieve the fatigue, skin beauty effect, radiation of the far infrared and anions, and also the muscle relaxation, improve the blood circulation. It's a lot of the advantages. This one can be applied for the home care. The virus infection prevent and remove the germs and the self-air purification and the anti-air pollution. Just 1 kilo of the BioMaxx Ball in the bedroom, your living room, and office toilet inside car. You can enjoy the benefit like a fresh and comfortable the livings. by the permanent emit of the far infrared and anions and the photocatalyst. Also, the inside car, right? Drivers in the severe, the polluted road, we get the benefit of the air purification, antibacterial, antivirus, deodorization of the bad smell, and the mental stability, and relieve the fatigue by far infrared and anion emit. Also, likely the BioMaxx Ball has a lot of advantages like this. This is a photocatalytic reaction. The maximize the tremendous effectiveness with the BioMaxx Ball. We developed BioMaxx Ball with a unique mineral composition with many incomparable characteristics. High emit of the far infrared 97%, and a great number of the anion emit, and effective by the photocatalyst. The effectiveness of the BioMaxx Ball is totally different compared to the existing the single mineral and the many ceramic balls. Using a likely quartz, cobalt, yellow clay, germanium, sericite, tourmaline, and many silica materials. When small pack of the BioMaxx Ball is placed in the living room and the bedroom and bathroom and your car inside, you can enjoy the tremendous effective, more fresh, comfortable, without any electrical device. Also, great advantage for the water supply in the agriculture, the livestock, the poultry farm, and pet fish farm, aquarium, and hydroponic farms. BioMaxx is world unique nano bioenergy technology, 100% non-toxical, natural, eco-friendly materials.